Welcome back to FRTV. Today we're going to review a Pani Puri shop. I know this shop has been there for almost 20 plus years. We'll go talk to him today. We'll figure out how long he's been there and what he does. This is a shop which is situated in Commercial Street in Bangalore. Suggestion for all my viewers, if you want to come here, please don't come by car, get a two-wheeler or take a taxi because you will hardly find any parking over here, right? So without any further ado, let's take our video to the road today. And this is the shop that I was talking about. Money charts. வணக்கம் அண்ணா, எப்படி இருக்கீங்க?
நல்லா இருக்கிறேன்.
ரொம்ப நாள் ஆச்சு பார்த்து. இன்னைக்கு நம்ம கடை தான் ரிவ்யூ பண்ண போகிறோம். எவ்வளோ வருஷம் ஆச்சு இந்த கடை ஓப்பன் பண்ணி?
37 வருஷம்.
37 வருஷமா? நான் 20 வருஷம் நினச்சிட்டு வந்துருக்கிறேன் நான். ஓகே, எப்படி போயிருக்குது பிஸ்னஸ் எல்லாம்?
நல்லா இருக்கு.
ஓகே, என்ன ஸ்பெஷாலிட்டிண்ணா இன்னைக்கு?
நம்மளது வந்து தஹி பூரி இருக்குது, சேவ் பூரி இருக்குது, சமோசா இருக்குது, மசாலா பூரி ஸ்பெஷல். நம்ம வந்து எல்லாமே ஸ்பெஷல் தான்.
நம்ம ரெகுலராக சாப்பிட்றது மசால் பூரி தான், அப்புறம் பானிபூரி, தஹி பூரி. ஸோ இன்றைக்கெல்லாம் ஒரு டிஷ் பண்ணி காட்டுங்க நம்ம FRTV வியூவர்ஸ்க்கு. ஸ்பெஷலாக பண்ணி காட்டுங்க இன்னைக்கு. ஸோ கைஸ், டுடே we're going to try masal puri, which is one of our signature dish over here. And then we're going to try bel puri. Then we're going to try pani puri. So these are some signature dish, and there is some speciality about this shop. I'll also talk about that. What is so unique in this particular shop and why this has been running for almost 37 years now. So he is doing the masal puri right now. Okay. I need a little more spicy now. Konjo add some more spice. Okay. Okay, goes a lot of that masala, and there goes the save. Okay, then goes the onion, mint, and a little bit of curd on top of it, just to mellow down the spice. That's a Kashmiri chili, chaat masala. Wow, they've started having pomegranates on as well on that. Okay, good. So let me show you this. Just look at this. Try this out. Now, it's masal puri ana ide.
The dahi tikki chaat.
Dahi tikki chaat. So this is dahi tikki chaat. You can taste that papad, aloo, the sweetness from the pomegranate and the masala. Nice. Good. I'd say you guys should try this as well. So let's move to the next one. Masal puri. Now we're going to try masal puri. So unlike what everybody uses the papad, this is special what they're doing. Idina na idu?
Puri.
This puri. Oh, masala puri ki puri. Okay. Homemade. Okay, very nice. Idu try pannala. Spice konjam jaasti podunga. Okay, we're going to try the masal puri. The special puri that they make at home is what they've said. Okay. The crispiness and the onion is really nice. Let me dig one more. It's a very good, I would say, evening snack. Do come with your family, your friends. Try this out. It's really, really nice. And the spice can be adjusted as you like it, and is more friendly than ever to do this. This is good. Try this. Now, எவ்வளோ டிஷ்ஷஸ் பண்ணுறீங்க? பானிபூரி
இருக்குது, மசாலா பூரி இருக்குது, ஆலு பூரி இருக்குது, தஹி டிக்கி சாட் இருக்குது, சேவ் பூரி இருக்குது, பாபடி சாட் இருக்குது, பானிபூரி இருக்குது, பேல் பூரி அது வச்சுருக்கேன், அப்புறம் சமோசா சாட் இருக்குது. அவ்வளோதான்.
டொமேட்டோ ஸ்லைஸ் தான் பண்ணுறீங்களா?
அது பண்ணலாம், ரெடி பண்ணின்னு இருக்கேன். இடம் பார்த்துறதில்ல, அதனால ரெடி பண்ணின்னு.
ஓகே, ஸோ க்ளோஸ் அபவுட் 7 to 8 dishes is what he makes. We will try at least about 2-3 today. We have already tried 2 dishes. We'll try one more dish today. Pani puri. And remember guys, I was talking about something unique about this shop. These are the 2 types of puri. This you would have seen everywhere, right? This is your regular where you get from all the places. But this is a unique puri that you get only in this place, and it's very, very hard and crispy. Oilless is what he says. We'll try to have the pani puri in this particular puri. It's a busy evening. And thanks for him to making this time for us. It's a peak hour for his business as well, and we're doing the review at this time. So this is the regular puri.
இந்த பூரியில் தண்ணி இதாகும் பானி.
See, water doesn't drip out. This is the oil-less puri.
தண்ணி இது வராது, கீழே ட்ராப் லீக் ஆகாது. இந்த பூரி டேமேஜ் வந்துடும், பானி எல்லாம் கீழே.
Puri size is also small, easily fits into your mouth and doesn't break. Whoa, the rush of that masala water. Nothing beats a snack like this, man. So now இது கடை இங்கே ஒண்டி தான் இருக்குதா வேற எங்கே வச்சுருக்கீங்களா கடை?
இது ஒன்று தானே,
ஒரே கடை தானே இது? இங்கே பிரான்ச் எதுவும் வைக்கல.
எதுவும் இல்லை.
இது எந்த இடத்துல இருக்குது சொல்லுங்கண்ணா வியூவர்ஸ்க்கு? இது ஏரியா
நாராயண் பிளே ஸ்ட்ரீட்டு,
நாராயண் பிள்ளை ஸ்ட்ரீட்டு,
ராம்ராஜ் ஷோரூம்.
ராம்ராஜ் ஷோரூம். ஓகே ஓகே. எவ்வளோ மணி கடை ஓப்பன் பண்ணுறீங்க?
நான் 3 o'clock ஓப்பன் பண்ணுறேன். 9 o'clock.
9 o'clock, 3 to 9. ஓகே, ஸோ 6 hours ஒரு நாளைக்கு பிஸ்னஸ். லீவ் என்னைக்குனா விட்றீங்களா?
லீவு நம்ம டியூஸ்டே இல்லைனா ஃப்ரைடே.
டியூஸ்டே இல்லை ஃப்ரைடே லீவ் இருக்கும். ஆனால் சாட்டர்டே சண்டே ஒர்க்கிங்.
வீக்லி 1 days.
Weekly 1 day. Okay, okay. Very nice, very nice. So guys, plan your day. I would say weekend would be better. You have bike parking as well. Show the bike parking.
பார்க்கிங்கே இருக்குது.
And they have car parking but limited parking on the car for the car. And for the bike, I think you can park your bike. I prefer you guys coming by a bike, two-wheeler or take a rake or a taxi. If you get your car, if you're lucky, you might get a parking. But otherwise, do not risk because these are small streets. These are all old Bangalore streets, right? Just ensure that you travel by something that is easy for you to park or easy to get off and get on, right? We want to try a lot, but I'm coming after a heavy lunch, so I just tried 3 dishes today. Definitely, you should try the bel puri as well. Bel puri is also amazing. Then the dahi puri is also amazing. So we'll try again some other day when we come here. Bundi puri. Oh. Hi, what's your name?
Yeah, my name is Vishnu.
Okay, how long you been coming here?
I have been coming since 10 to 15 years
Oh,
because
okay.
my house is very nearby.
Okay.
So this is one of the famous Pani Puri in this lane or in the Shivaji Nagar itself, I can say.
Okay, okay. And he told he's been there for 37 years, so...
Yes, yes. I'm not so old, so that's the reason I'm coming here from past 15-20
Okay,
years.
what do you like here the most?
Bundi Puri.
Bundi puri?
Yeah.
Okay. Other than Bundi puri, what do you recommend for others?
Bundi Puri, even Masala Puri will be really
Masala puri is good?
Yes,
Okay.
Pani Puri will be really spicy.
Okay.
Where you can have it and you can enjoy.
Okay, so why do you think this place is so famous?
This place is famous because he is very hygiene.
Okay.
And whatever he provides is clean and you don't see any dirtiness around.
Correct.
Where we can eat. So we can easily eat and we can be sure that you will be healthy enough.
Okay, okay. Thank you so much. I'll enjoy your meal.
Thanks a lot.
Okay, na. It was good meeting you today. இந்த வீடியோ நாங்கள் யூடியூப்பில் போடுறோம்.
சரி.
நீங்களெல்லாம் ஷேர் பண்ணி விடுங்க எல்லாம் உங்கள் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் ஃபேமிலி மெம்பர்ஸ்க்கெல்லாம். திரும்ப வரோம் next week. We'll be coming probably next week again. So this is a regular place where we come and have our chats whenever we feel like. So we will come again here. Keep supporting our local community. Keep supporting our local food. This is for all of you guys. Thanks for watching FRTV. And this is Naveen signing off. I'll see you in another video. Thank you.